It's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy. Welcome to day 6 of the 1 minute challenge. Today's challenge is going to be slightly different. Okay, we're going to go onto all fours and do some kind of leg drill which will strengthen your legs for kicking, but also build the strength and stamina you need throughout your core and throughout your glutes and your hip flexors. Okay, so I'll show you an example. So we're going to start on all fours. Here, like so. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips, okay? And then from there, you're going to extend one leg back, out straight, with your toes just touching the floor. We're going to do a continuous motion back and forth to the side, tap, back, tap. Keeping that leg nice and straight, okay? Now, if that's too much for you, what I want you to do is do it with your leg bent, okay? So you can put your leg bent here and then go tap, tap. So you pretty much bring in that knee to elbow and back. Knee to elbow and back, okay? That's the easier option. If not, keep that leg nice and straight and we're gonna go here and back, okay? It's entirely up to you how high you bring the leg, okay? Obviously, the higher you bring it, the harder it is. So take it at your own pace, listen to your body, and let's get going with today's drill. We're doing 4 drills this time because we're doing alternate sides. So we're doing 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other side, with a 10-second interval between each set. 4 sets of 1 minute, 10-second interval in between, okay? Let's get going.